So today is 13th of May 2025. It's around 6 p.m. in the evening. We had a very heavy thunderstorm here in Delhi. So this big plant fell on my car's hood from the adjacent house. The whole hood is crushed, and I don't know what type of damage is there on the side fender. Uh, the plant fell from this building, so nobody is taking blame for it. I spoke with my insurance agent, and they told me to record a video and take some pictures of this incident so that I can use it for the insurance claim process. So today is already late in the evening, so I cannot take it to the workshop. So I will take it to the workshop tomorrow and hopefully get it fixed soon. So there are two workshops near me. I will try both. So hopefully it will get fixed soon. I'll keep you posted in the video. So hello guys, and welcome again to another video on my channel. So right now I am inside my car. So today is 20th of May 2025. So my car got damaged on 13th of May 2025. It was a very bad weather. So wind was very strong. It was like a very bad thunderstorm that day. It was raining. It was very heavy winds. So one plant from a neighborhood home fell on my car. It was a very big car, very big plant. I attached a video and a photo inside the next part of the video. So I have shot the whole video in fragments, different fragments, how I went for the repair, and but everything was done in the insurance. So I have the Tata AIG insurance with me. So this is Nissan Magnite. So I got the repairs done at youwe Nissan Okhla D12 phase 1 workshop, which is around 30 kilometers away from my home. First I went to the Jubilant Nissan Motinagar workshop, which is only 7 kilometers from my home, but they told me that they don't have the part in the their stock, which is the hood. The whole bonnet is replaced in my car. So they told me that it will take around 3 to 4 weeks for the bonnet to arrive, and then they will only start the repair, but they have to initiate the claim on that day only. So I called youwe Nissan, and they told me to bring the car, and they promised me that they will arrange everything very fast. So on 14th of May I went to their workshop. So they initiated the claim process. So I have the Tata AIG insurance. For every insurance, almost the claim initiation process is same. So you have to submit few documents, which is your Aadhaar card, PAN card, RC, insurance copy, and your PUC. And if there is a other party involved, like it's a road accident, then you have to. Sometimes you also need to submit a proof of FIR also. So these are the documents which are required every time if you are claiming your insurance for the accidental repair or damage repairs. So I have shot the video in different fragments, so I'll add the clips. So the youwe Nissan workshop is recommended from my side because it's a very big workshop. It is one of the biggest workshop in Delhi NCR for Nissan. Everything that cannot be done anywhere else in Delhi NCR can be done there. That's a very old workshop. They are one of the oldest dealer of Nissan in India. So it's a very big workshop. I have made a small video of their workshop also, so I will add that in the video also. So apart from that bonnet repair, the total bill was around 19,000. So I only had to pay around 1340 rupees from my pocket, and one of the hubcap of my alloy wheel with the Nissan logo was also missing. So I got that also. That I bought it as a counter sale. So that costed me around 254 rupees. So I add the other clips of the video in the next part, so that you can follow the process which have been done on my car. So I'll show you what was the damage, then I'll show you after the repair also. So let's follow the next part. So today is the next day, 14th of May 2025. Yesterday a plant fell on my car. It was very stormy weather, very windy, very heavy storm was there. So a plant fell from the adjacent house, as I have shown you in the previous clip. So this is how it looks now. All the paint is gone. So I went to Jubilant Nissan in Motinagar, Delhi, which was very close to my home. It was around 6-7 kilometers only. But they told me that the bonnet will arrive in it will take a minimum of around 3 weeks to arrive. So they do have a part shortage. They already have few cars waiting for its bonnet. So I called youwe Nissan in Okhla. I show you the youwe Nissan workshop. I hope you can see. It is in Okhla. This is behind me, youwe Nissan. So I came here. I spoke with them. So they told me to bring the car, and so I gave my car to youwe Nissan Okhla for the accidental repair. So they promised me to give the car back in within a week. So let's hope it gets okay within a week, because the other workshop was telling me that it will take a minimum of 3 weeks. So they told me that if they order the parts today, it will arrive in 2-3 days. And the insurance surveyor will come tomorrow for the survey, and hopefully it gets uh, approved by the insurance company, and everything is done under the insurance. So this is the youwe Nissan workshop in Okhla, D12, phase 1, Okhla, Delhi. So I gave my car to them for the repair on 14th of May 2025. So on Sunday, that is on 17th, that they have received the hood. I have got a call from them on, this is the workshop. So I got a call from them on 17th of May that they have received the hood. So survey of the car was done on 15th of May. So they started the work on Sunday. So that is 18th. So now today I got a call that my car is done. So I can come and take a delivery of my car. So this is a big workshop here. So I do recommend you coming here if you want to get any service or any repair uh, need to be done on your car in Delhi NCR region, because it's a big workshop. They have parts availability, and they have experienced staff. Look, so this is how the workshop look from inside. My car is there, standing right in front of me. It's ready. The hood is fixed. So let's hope everything is done nicely. So this is my car. It's got a new hood, and some repair is done on this part also. This fender was also bent, so they fixed that also. This right side fender. So this is how it looks now. Neat, everything fixed. Let's go inside and see how much I need to pay. So other than this insurance job, I've got one of this cap for my rear left wheel, which was missing in my car. Somebody took it off, so I paid 254 rupees for that. So this is the extra amount which I have paid today.